Welcome to our detailed comparison of two powerful graphics cards. The ASUS ProArt GeForce RTX 4060T and the Gigabyte Radeon RX 7600 XT. In this video, we'll explore their specifications, performance, and cooling solutions to help you decide which GPU is the best fit for your needs. The ASUS card boasts advanced features like DLSS 3 and a robust build, while the GIGABYTE option offers excellent value with its strong cooling system and lower price point. Let's dive in. When it comes to pricing, the ASUS ProArt GeForce RTX 4060T is priced at $529, making it a premium option for those seeking high performance. On the other hand, the Gigabyte Radeon RX 7600 XT offers a more budget-friendly price of $359, providing excellent value for gamers who want great performance without breaking the bank. This significant price difference is an important factor to consider based on your budget and performance needs. In terms of performance, the ASUS ProArt RTX 4060T generally outperforms the Gigabyte RX 7600 XT due to its more powerful GPU and higher boost clock speeds. The RTX 4060T features advanced technologies such as DLSS 3, which enhances gaming experiences by improving frame rates and visual quality. Conversely, while the RX 7600 XT provides solid performance for its price, it may not match the capabilities of its ASUS counterpart in demanding scenarios. Therefore, if performance is your top priority, the RTX 4060T is the clear winner. Cooling solutions are crucial for maintaining optimal performance during intense gaming sessions. The ASUS ProArt RTX 4060T features axial tech fans that provide efficient airflow and quiet operation, ensuring that the card remains cool even under load. In contrast, the Gigabyte RX 7600 XT utilizes the WindForce 3X cooling system, which also offers excellent cooling performance. Both cards are designed to keep temperatures in check, but the choice may come down to personal preference regarding aesthetics and noise levels. In conclusion, both the ASUS ProArt GeForce RTX 4060T and the Gigabyte Radeon RX 7600 XT have their strengths and weaknesses. If you prioritize performance and advanced features, the RTX 4060T is the way to go. However, if you're looking for a more affordable option that still delivers solid performance, the RX 7600 XT is a fantastic choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and tech reviews.